Hello everyone, it's Anne-Marie Cheung here from AnneMarieCheung.com. My coaches keep telling me I should go live, so here I am live. Some exciting news. I sold a painting yesterday. And I just got a message from my daughter saying she got the job. Okay. So here's the, this is the painting that sold. And then on the back, I've got a little story about the painting. And it's all nicely ready for hanging. So I'm just getting ready to package it up, and I package my painting like super well. Like there's bubble wrap, there's paper, there's cardboard, there's tons of stuff that I have to do to it for shipping. And it also included is a certificate of authenticity that just says it's a one-of-a-kind work of art that was created by me. So anyways, I hope everyone's having a good day. It's, oh, I see there's a couple of people watching. Yeah, say hi, so I know you're there. I can't really see who's here. Anyways, it's a little bit kind of like an overcast day here in Ontario, Canada. So anyways, I'm off to package up this painting now, so I hope everyone's doing really well. And bye for now.